Vocabulary won't stick. Native speakers sound like they're speaking another planet's language. You try to talk, but your brain freezes. Yeah, we've all been there. But listen, what if you're learning English completely wrong? Textbooks, boring, flashcards, forgettable, repeating grammar rules until your brain hurts? That's not fluency, that's frustration. You've been trying hard, but still feel embarrassed when speaking? Still scared to say one full sentence in public? Feels like you're stuck in beginner hell, right? Here's the truth. Your brain learns faster with stories, not with rules. Let me tell you about Oprah Winfrey. Born into poverty, abused as a child, and once told she'd never be good enough for TV. But guess what? Her words, her voice, changed the world. Oprah failed. But her secret? It can fix your English. Here's how. Slow, clear narration, so you understand every word. Real-world vocabulary you'll actually use. Emotional stories that make words stick in your memory forever. Oprah didn't memorize rules. She learned to connect with emotion, with clarity, with confidence. And you can too. Imagine walking into Starbucks and ordering your drink in perfect English. No fear, no hesitation. Imagine watching Oprah's speech and thinking, whoa, I understood every word. Thousands of students are learning this way right now. And they're saying, for the first time, English feels easy. It's like the words just stick. That can be you starting today. So what are you waiting for? Smash that like if you're sick of struggling. Turn on subtitles. Put on your headphones. Because your English fluency, it starts right here, right now. Let's go. Chapter 1. Hook start. From dirt floors to global stages. Imagine a little girl, born in the deep South, wearing dresses made from potato sacks, yet dreaming of a world far beyond the red dirt roads of Mississippi. This is the story of Oprah Winfrey. A journey from poverty and pain to power and purpose. For English learners across America, her life is more than a biography. It's a lesson in resilience, communication, and the transformative power of words. Lesson 1. Humble beginnings in Mississippi. Oprah. Gail Winfrey was born on January 29, 1954, in Kosciuszko, Mississippi. Raised by her grandmother, Hattie Mae Lee, in a small farming community, Oprah's early life was marked by extreme poverty. Despite the hardships, her grandmother taught her to read at an early age, instilling a love for books and learning that would shape her future. Lesson 2. Early struggles and abuse. At the age of 6, Oprah moved to Milwaukee to live with her mother, Vernita Lee. During this time, she faced numerous challenges, including sexual abuse by family members and family friends. These traumatic experiences led her to run away from home at 13. At 14, she became pregnant, but her son was born prematurely and died shortly after birth. Lesson 3. A turning point in Nashville. After these tumultuous years, Oprah was sent to live with her father, Vernon Winfrey, in Nashville. A strict but supportive figure, Vernon emphasized education and discipline. Under his guidance, Oprah became an honors student, participated in speech competitions, and was voted most popular girl at East Nashville High School. Lesson 4. Early broadcasting experience. At 17, Oprah won the Miss Black Tennessee beauty pageant, which led to a part-time job at WVOL, a local radio station. This opportunity marked the beginning of her broadcasting career, as she read the news during her senior year of high school and continued into college. Lesson 5. Education and early career. Oprah attended Tennessee State University, a historically black institution where she studied communication. Lesson 6. Transition to talk shows. In the late 1970s, Oprah moved to Baltimore to co-anchor the evening news at WJZ-TV. However, her emotional delivery was deemed unsuitable for news, leading her to co-host the local talk show, People Are Talking. The show became a hit, showcasing her ability to connect with audiences on a personal level. Lesson 7. Breakthrough in Chicago. In 1984, Oprah relocated to Chicago to host WLS-TV's low-rated morning talk show, AM Chicago. Within months, her engaging style turned it into the highest-rated talk show in the city. The show's success led to its expansion and rebranding as The Oprah Winfrey Show in 1986. Lesson 8. National syndication and fame. The Oprah Winfrey Show quickly gained national attention, becoming the highest-rated daytime talk show in history. Airing for 25 years until 2011, the show tackled a wide range of topics, from self-improvement and health to social issues and celebrity interviews, resonating with millions of viewers worldwide. Lesson 9. Film debut and critical acclaim. In 1985, Oprah made her film debut in Steven Spielberg's The Color Purple, portraying the character Sophia. Her powerful performance earned her an Academy Award nomination for Best Supporting Actress, further establishing her versatility and talent. The Independent Lesson 10. Entrepreneurial ventures. Oprah founded Harpo Productions in 1986, becoming the first Black woman to own a production company. Through Harpo, she produced her talk show and other projects, including films and television programs, solidifying her status as a media mogul. Lesson 11. Literary influence. In 1996, Oprah launched her book club segment, significantly impacting the publishing industry. Books featured in her club often became bestsellers, demonstrating her influence in promoting literature and encouraging reading among the public. Lesson 12. Philanthropic efforts. Oprah's philanthropic endeavors are extensive. She established the Oprah Winfrey Foundation and the Oprah Winfrey Operating Foundation, supporting various causes, including education, empowerment, and health. Her contributions have positively affected countless lives worldwide. Lesson 13. Leadership Academy for Girls. In 2007, Oprah opened the Oprah Winfrey Leadership Academy for Girls in South Africa, providing quality education to academically gifted girls from disadvantaged backgrounds. The academy reflects her commitment to empowering young women through education. Lesson 14. Advocacy and social impact. Oprah has used her platform to address critical social issues, including child abuse, racism, and poverty. Her openness about her own experiences has helped destigmatize these topics and encourage public discourse and healing. Lesson 15. Political engagement. In 2008, Oprah endorsed Barack Obama for president, a significant moment in American politics. Her support was considered influential in his campaign, showcasing her ability to mobilize public opinion and engage in political activism. Lesson 16. Own network launch. In 2011, Oprah launched the Oprah Winfrey Network, a cable channel dedicated to self-improvement, spirituality, and entertainment. OWN features various programs that align with her vision of inspiring and uplifting content. Lesson 17. Continued media presence beyond television. Oprah has maintained a strong media presence through The Oprah magazine, podcasts, and online platforms. Her adaptability to new media formats demonstrates her commitment to evolving with the times and reaching diverse audiences. Lesson 18. Recognition and awards. Oprah's contributions have been recognized with numerous awards, including the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2013 and the Cecil B. DeMille Award at the Golden Globes in 2018. These honors reflect her impact on media, culture, and society. Lesson 19. Financial success. Oprah became the first Black woman billionaire in 2003, according to Forbes. Her financial success is a testament to her business acumen and the value of her brand, built on authenticity and connection with her audience. Lesson 20. Mentorship and empowerment. Throughout her career, Oprah has mentored numerous individuals, emphasizing the importance of self-worth and personal growth. Her guidance has inspired many to pursue their dreams and overcome obstacles. Lesson 21. Cultural influence. Oprah's influence extends beyond the media. She has shaped cultural conversations around wellness, spirituality, and personal development. Her emphasis on introspection and healing has resonated with audiences worldwide. Lesson 22. Resilience and adaptability. Oprah's ability to navigate challenges, adapt to industry changes, and reinvent herself has been key to her enduring success. Her resilience serves as a powerful example for individuals facing adversity. Lesson 23. Legacy and impact. Oprah's legacy is multifaceted, encompassing media innovation, philanthropy, and social advocacy. Her life's work has left an indelible mark on society, inspiring future generations to lead with compassion and purpose. Lesson 24. Lessons for English learners. For English learners, Oprah's story offers valuable lessons in communication, storytelling, and the power of language to affect change. Her journey underscores the importance of articulating one's experiences and connecting with others through shared narratives. Lesson 25. Your voice matters. Oprah Winfrey's life teaches us that our beginnings do not define our endings. Through perseverance, self-belief, and the courage to speak our truths, we can overcome obstacles, make a meaningful impact. As you continue your journey in learning English, remember that your voice matters. Your story is powerful, and by sharing it, you contribute to a richer, more inclusive world. Lesson 26. Emotional intelligence in action. Oprah Winfrey isn't just known for her media empire. She's known for how she made people feel. She brought emotional intelligence into living rooms across America. Her empathy allowed her to ask questions that others wouldn't. She didn't just listen, she heard. When someone cried on her show, she cried too. For English learners, this shows how listening is more than hearing words. It's understanding emotion behind those words. Oprah's communication style teaches us that language, when paired with heart, becomes powerful. Lesson 27. The power of self-reflection and healing. Oprah always encouraged her viewers to look inward. She often said, "Turn your wounds into wisdom." That message was deeply personal for her. From childhood trauma to self-doubt, she never hid her struggles. Instead, she used them to help others heal. On her show, people learned that pain is not the end. It can be the beginning of something beautiful. For students learning English, this means learning to express not just what you do, but who you are and how you feel. That's language with purpose. Lesson 28. The book club that changed the world. Oprah's book club was not just a segment, it was a movement. She got millions of people reading again. Some books tackled difficult subjects: race, trauma, poverty, and hope. And she didn't just recommend a book, she opened a conversation. Through reading, viewers learned new words, ideas, and cultures. For English learners, reading what Oprah recommended means more than expanding vocabulary. It means stepping into other people's lives and gaining perspective, which is the very heart of understanding a language. Lesson 29. Reinventing Purpose. After the talk show. When the Oprah Winfrey Show ended in 2011 after 25 years, people wondered, what next? But for Oprah, it wasn't an ending. It was evolution. She focused on the OWN network, created a new interview series, continued producing films, and published The Path Made Clear, a guide to discovering one's life purpose. She partnered with Apple TV Plus for deeply personal interviews and documentaries. What does this teach English learners? That no matter how successful you become, learning and growing never ends. Lesson 30. The true legacy. Oprah's story is no longer just about her. It's about everyone she's touched. She's mentored young girls who now attend Ivy League schools. She's helped viewers leave toxic relationships. She's inspired entrepreneurs to start businesses, writers to tell stories, and millions of young people to believe they matter. For English learners, her legacy reminds you that your words have value. Whether you speak perfectly or are just starting, your voice is needed. Every sentence you build, every word you learn, brings you closer to a version of yourself you didn't know existed. Final inspiring message. Write your own chapter. The life of Oprah Winfrey teaches us something powerful. You do not have to be born into greatness to become great. You don't need a perfect past to create a beautiful future. All you need is belief, a sense of purpose, and the willingness to work. If Oprah could rise from hardship to global impact, so can you. If she could use language to build connection, healing, and empire, so can you. Starting with your very next sentence. To every student learning English right now, don't just study the language. Live it. Speak your truth. Share your story. Just like Oprah, your message could change someone's world, starting with your own. This is your time, your voice, your story. Now speak.
If you loved this video and want to improve your English faster, do these 3 things right now. 1. Hit that subscribe button, because I drop powerful English lessons like this every week. 2. Smash the like button, so YouTube knows this video helped you. 3. Share with friends, because everyone deserves to speak English confidently. On the Control English, you get the world's simplest English tricks. Tap the bell icon to never miss a new lesson. Today's challenge: share this video with 2 friends and tell them, this channel will change your English game. Thank you. Keep learning. Keep growing.